This year, I've been committed to growing longer hair. I've tried different hair products and I've documented and shared my progress throughout. And as the year comes to an end, I wanted to do one last 30-day hair growth experiment, this time using only natural DIY recipes. I did a castor oil scalp treatment and a rice water hair rinse once a week for an entire month. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, and I'll also share my final hair growth results. Let's start with the scalp treatment. Castor oil was one of the ingredients I knew I wanted to include. It's a very nourishing oil that's said to increase blood flow to the scalp, stimulating hair growth. I have used it in the past with great results, so I wanted to make sure to include it in this scalp treatment. I also added coconut oil to this recipe, which has many benefits for the hair. Aside from promoting hair growth, it's commonly used to treat things like dandruff, repair damaged hair, and tame frizz, so it's great for the hair's overall health. A little bit of oil goes a very long way, and I only apply this to my scalp, so I don't need a whole lot. I use half a tablespoon of coconut oil and half a tablespoon of castor oil, and I warm it up using a double boiler system. Warming the oil not only makes it easier to apply, but it also helps the oil penetrate deeper and really nourish the scalp. Now moving on to the rice water hair rinse. Rice water is packed with amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that can help strengthen the hair and promote hair growth. It's been traditionally used for thousands of years by the Red Yao women in China who have extremely long, beautiful hair. I did my research and there are several recipes and different ways to make this, but you guys know me, I like to keep things simple. So all I do is rinse half a cup of rice. I use brown rice, but you can use any kind of rice you have. And after I give it a good rinse, I cover the rice with 2 cups of water, and I stir this very well so the rice can start releasing all of its nutrients. I let this sit for about 30 minutes to an hour, stirring occasionally in between. After I've let it soak, I strain it and I pour this water into a spray bottle, which will make it much easier to apply. To keep things as simple as possible, I applied the scalp treatment and did the hair rinse on the same day every week throughout this challenge. So every Wednesday was basically my hair care day. About 2 hours before I showered, I would apply the scalp treatment. Remember, this has castor oil, and castor oil is very thick and really sticky, so whenever I use it, I try my best not to apply this to the actual hair strands or the ends of my hair because it's such a hassle to wash out. Plus, hair growth starts at the root, so the scalp is where I focus most of my attention. Anytime I apply a scalp treatment, I like to give myself a massage for a good 5 minutes. Massaging your scalp is one of the best things you can do if you want to grow longer hair. It stimulates blood flow, it strengthens the hair follicles, and promotes hair growth. During this challenge, I would leave this in my hair for about 1 to 2 hours, just depending on what was going on that day. And then I'd hop in the shower, shampoo, and wash it out thoroughly. After shampooing my hair, I applied the rice water. The best way I found to apply this was in sections. So with each section, I start at the root and slowly work my way down. This time making sure to coat the strands because rice water is full of amazing nutrients that can help strengthen and protect the hair. And again, I like to massage this in as well to make sure it really gets in there and to improve the circulation. Once I've covered my entire scalp and hair, I open the bottle and pour the rest all over. I let this sit while I complete the rest of my shower routine. And during this challenge, I intentionally did extra things like a body scrub on this day just so I could let the rice water work its magic for a little bit longer. Then I rinsed it out and followed up with my conditioner. Now let's get into the results of this hair growth experiment. I started this challenge immediately after I posted my last hair growth video, so on the left is what my hair looked like then, and on the right is what it looked like after this challenge. There is a noticeable difference, so I would say this experiment was a success. I think my time and effort every week was worth it, and I definitely recommend trying this out if you're in the process of growing out your hair. As with anything, consistency is key. If you liked this video, I recommend watching my hair care routine where I share my favorite natural products for long, healthy hair. That video will be linked on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.